Need to use Shopcast on Shop app? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily use the Shopcast. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then head over to the official website of Shop, or simply move into Shop app. Enter your login credentials and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, now in order for you to use the Shopcast, all you gotta do is move into any of the product that you want to purchase. Let's say I want to purchase this item. Once you've selected, select the quantity and then click on Buy Now. Wait for a while for it to load. It will be landing you on this page. Over here, you will need to fill up all of the information. And if you scroll all the way down, you'll be able to see the payment method and also the section where you can enter discount code or gift card. Well, if you have the Shopcast available, you will see it applied automatically under your order summary as a discount. If you do not want to use it all, you can adjust the amount before confirming. After that, complete your payment using ShopPay. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.